You're looking for the best Philips Norelco shaver, but honestly, most of them feel like they're all saying the same thing. Same price points, same features, same promises. But here's the real question: which one actually gives you a clean shave without irritation or regret? That's what we're figuring out today. Product number 1, Oneblade Face 360. Let's start with the Philips Oneblade 360. It's not your traditional razor, but more like a precision trimmer that can also shave. Priced at around $49, it sits right in the budget-friendly zone. This thing is built for versatility. You can trim your beard, shape your mustache, or even do a full face shave if you're going stubble. The 360 blade flexes to hug your face contours better than most shavers, so you don't need multiple passes. It's waterproof too, so wet or dry use means no excuses. If you want something lightweight, travel-ready, and great for shorter styles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual protection system and glide coating help prevent nicks on sensitive skin, exactly what guys with redness or irritation deal with daily. The 12,000 movements per minute cutter handles longer hairs without pulling, which is a huge win if you've got coarse facial hair. Plus, it comes with 5 adjustable combs, 5 mm, letting you go from subtle shadow to clean stubble in seconds. With over 50,000 sold last month, there's clearly demand for this kind of flexibility. Now, some people complained about the blade lasting only about 4 months under heavy use. That's true, and if you shave every day, you'll notice it getting less efficient faster. But honestly, for the price, replacing blades isn't a big deal, especially when compared to losing time dealing with cuts or uneven shaves. And if you're someone who travels often, the USB charging and compact design make up for the limited runtime. This is perfect for you if you're into low-maintenance grooming, want to avoid razors altogether, or just need something simple for quick touch-ups. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional rotary or foil shaver feel. The Oneblade operates differently and might take some adjustment. Product number 2, Shaver 2400 series. Moving on to the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400, this one takes a classic approach with modern upgrades. At $51, it's still affordable but packs more traditional shaving power. What stands out immediately is the 4D flex heads, which pivot in multiple directions to follow your jawline, cheeks, and neck curves naturally. Whether you're doing a dry shave or using gel in the shower, it handles both well. The pop-up trimmer tucked inside is handy for mustaches and sideburns, making it a 2-in-1 solution. What makes this ideal for everyday users is its balance between performance and comfort. Those 4D heads mean fewer passes across tricky areas like under the chin or around the ears, reducing friction and irritation. The blades are rated to stay sharp for years, so you won't need constant replacements. Over 30,000 units sold monthly shows people trust this model for reliability. It's also fully waterproof, so cleaning it is a breeze. Some reviewers mentioned the battery life isn't amazing, maybe 30 minutes total if you use it daily, but since it charges via USB, you can top it up quickly overnight. The downside: it lacks advanced features like a charging stand or travel pouch, so setup feels basic. Still, for someone who wants a straightforward, dependable shaver without extra frills, this works really well. Perfect if you value simplicity and consistent results over bells and whistles. Skip this if you need long battery life or premium accessories. The 2400 series keeps it minimal. Product number 3, Shaver 3900 series. Next up, the Philips Norelco Shaver 3900, priced at $103. This jumps into the mid-range territory with serious upgrades. This isn't just another shaver, it's designed for guys who want precision without sensitivity issues. The skin glide coating and 5D pivot contour head adjust dynamically to your face shape, ensuring smooth contact even around the ears and jaw. The Comfort Cut blades cut close but stay rounded to protect your skin, while the anti-corrosion system keeps things hygienic. You get a full hour of runtime after just 1 hour of charge thanks to the Li-ion battery, and it includes a charging stand, travel pouch, and pop-up trimmer, everything you'd expect from a premium groomer. For someone struggling with razor burn or ingrown hairs, this model shines because of how it tracks your face's angles. Unlike older models that skip over bumps, The 5D head bends and rotates to stay flat against your skin, reducing pressure points. Over 20,000 buyers last month confirm it delivers on comfort and closeness. The wet-dry functionality lets you shave in the shower with gel, which is a game changer for morning routines. However, the biggest drawback is the higher price tag. At over $100, it's significantly more expensive than entry-level options. Some customers also noted the plastic build feels slightly flimsy compared to metal rivals, though it's durable enough for daily use. Still, if budget allows, the extra features justify the cost. This is perfect if you have sensitive skin or want a shaver that grows with your style needs. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't need advanced contouring. Simpler models will do just fine. Product number 4, One-Blade Face Plus Body. Now we're doubling down on the One-Blade line with the Face Plus Body Kit, same core tech as the original, but now you get a body comb attachment. Priced at $64, it's a bit pricier but adds versatility beyond just facial grooming. The 360-degree blade still flexes to reach tight spots, and the 5-in-1 comb lets you adjust lengths precisely. But where this really stands out is the body kit. A 3M trimmer head with a skin guard protects sensitive areas like legs, groin, and arms. It's still waterproof, USB chargeable, and includes all the usual extras like a cap and manual. If you're tired of juggling different trimmers for face versus body, this solves that problem neatly. You get one device that handles everything: beard shaping, edge detailing, and light body trimming. The dual-sided blade helps create crisp lines for mustaches or neck outlines, while the body attachment ensures you don't nick yourself shaving elsewhere. With 20,000 plus sales monthly, many guys appreciate not needing multiple tools. The main flaw: the body comb is fixed at 3M, no adjustability, so if you want finer control on arms or chest, you're stuck. Also, while the blade lasts months, the body attachment doesn't come with replacement parts, meaning once it wears out, the whole combo may need upgrading. Still, for occasional use, it holds up well. Perfect if you want one tool for full body grooming without buying separate devices. Skip this if you need variable length settings on body hair or plan to shave large areas frequently. Dedicated body trimmers might be better. Product number 5, Multigroom 7000. Finally, the Philips Multigroom 7000. This is the ultimate grooming toolkit. At $84, it's the most expensive option but also the most comprehensive. It includes 19 attachments: combs for beard trimming 0 to 7 mm in tiny increments, hair clipping guards, nose-ear trimmers, and even eyebrow tools. Stainless steel blades stay sharp forever, no oiling needed, and it's 100% shower-proof. A lithium-ion battery powers up to 5 hours of runtime, and the steel frame gives solid grip. This is ideal if you want to do everything yourself, from buzz cuts to detailed styling, without visiting a barber weekly. The precision comb lets you dial in exact lengths, and the multi-directional head follows curves smoothly. But here's the catch: it's bulky. All those attachments take up space, and the sheer number of pieces can overwhelm beginners. Some users also say the nose-ear attachments aren't very effective. They work okay, but aren't as refined as specialized tools. Plus, while the battery lasts long, charging takes several hours. This is perfect if you love DIY grooming and want maximum control over every part of your look. Skip this if you want something compact or only care about basic face shaving. You'll pay for capabilities you never use. So which Philips Norelco shaver should you pick? If you're new to electric grooming or want something simple and cheap, go with the One-Blade Face 360. Need a traditional shave with decent comfort? The 2400 series delivers reliably. Want better skin protection and accessories? Upgrade to the 3900. Prefer one device for face and body? The One-Blade Face Plus Body does that well. And if you want the fullest range of styles and attachments, the Multigroom 7000 is unmatched, though bulkier. Each has trade-offs, but none are outright bad. Just match your budget, lifestyle, and grooming habits to the right one.